Are you filming?
Pictures.
I probably should go up more. You want me to zoom up more?
No.
Get a bite?
Well, it's not gonna work out.
Not for you, because it's too fat.
Are you taping it? Oh, it's
He's gonna roll your truck over. I can zoom up more.
Can you? No, hold it.
I need to go out more. You're too fat.
I am. You tip your truck backwards. Oh.
Donald, you got in the freaking way!
Well, I was moving out of the way. Let's try it though. Come on, Mini Bob, let's do it. You go up there. I'll give you gloves to wear.